Okay, it's the editing version of Nicholas here. My video is more of like funny moments and like whatever things. If you want to actually see like information about this, Simon's link is in the description and you can watch his video. It's actually really good. That's all I want to say. Enjoy the video and bye. Alright, so I've got the PC right here. It is looking mighty fresh. And I've also got DaVinci right here. First time ever using it. I've already learned how to cut, select, track, add text, just the basics. Tracking's not basic, but okay, enjoy the video. Wow! Alright guys, we are here in our rooms with all of our computer stuff necessary to build. We finally picked up the 1050 Ti's. These aren't the best cards or the ones we wanted, but they're available, so we got them. So we're gonna be starting the build. First thing we do is... Nope. Get rid of these. Alright, so what do you think we start with? The graphic motherboard, that's a good option. The motherboards we went with is the B550M Plus with Wi-Fi, 32 gigs of RAM, 500 gigabytes SSD storage, 550 watt power supply, and the Ryzen 5 3600 processors. We get stickers? Wait, really? What do we do next? Processor. Yeah. What is it? We got another sticker! Only hold it by the sides. You're gonna be doing it by the sides. Bring your board. Take your processor. Okay. And just Kobe. The scariest part. Pick it. Oh. What's next? RAM. Wrong. It's accent. No kidding. This fell right through the crack. Oh my god. Guys, I at least know the parts. So these are HyperX DDR4, I think. We got another sticker! You only have one way of putting it in, so you shove it in. Can't. That's scary. You can't do it. There you go. You did it. Idiot. Oh yeah, you're so funny. I'm gonna break your motherboard. I'm gonna break your face. You know what? I don't care. We're using yours. Dude, come on. Come on, man. There goes. Okay. We're done. Guys, let's start it up. Okay. Okay, set that upside down over there. No! Why would you touch it? Oh, my finger. Oh my god. Okay, mine's a square, his is a circle on the thermal face that he for some reason touched. Stupid. Guess what we're gonna do now? Graphics card. No. Case. Oh my god, it's so heavy, guys. I think I'm gonna throw my back out. I think I'm gonna hurl. I got the NZXT H510 Elite. And what did you get? I got the Fractal Design Specify C white. What if we both got white? Oh wait, I did! I'm gonna peel something off later. Oh yeah, we got it. It's getting caught. Go! It's caught. Hold on. I'm lifting. Got it. Ow! Oh god. What the frick? Careful, it's styrofoam. So heavy. There's that. Styrofoam, dude! Set it down with care. Two fans here and two fans here. So that works out. We got these from Micro Center, so I'm assuming they're just being nice. Just toss. Trigger warning! Trigger warning! If pretending to puke makes you squeamish or want to puke, skip to this time on the screen now! Alright, I'm gonna play it. If you're squeamish in any way, don't watch what you just watched. You can line it up with your motherboard and then just kind of make sure you get a general idea. And then you just like... They say don't hold it by the screws or the fan, but I'm doing it. So now, we need to find that hardware from the motherboard box. Technical difficulties. To summarize what just happened between each cut, we couldn't find the screws, but that's okay. Each case had a box inside the power supply section that had the screws and everything we needed to put the computer together, so that's good. Alright, let's continue. We had to change the lighting because it's starting to get dark out, so we put the overhead lights on. Yup, ugly lights. Alright, we're gonna finish these out. Wow, I'm very blown out. We're gonna finish these out, change the camera settings, and get back to you. Alright, so we put all the screws into the motherboard, so now it's not going anywhere. Important information. Take your back plate off, Scoobs. Zoinks! We got all the cable management done. Everything's plugged in, it should be working. So we're gonna plop these panels on, turn it on, and hope it posts. We plugged in our graphics card. So that's plugged in now. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and plug these in. Okay, bye.